Hey Amela, first of all, I'm so sorry that you're leaving, but I'm happy for you. I hope you'll do great and be more happy and have more time for you and on your new job. But we are going to miss you. It's not going to be the same with you. So, but we'll keep in touch, definitely. So basically, around this website, so the logo just broke. I'm not sure what happened. And in the menu, we need a review tab, and it says uh, add reviews tab between properties and contacts. So the review tab should be here. So that's these two changes here. Maybe I didn't express myself very good, but Tweed Waterford listings should be there where they are, but we should have the title North Central Frontenac to be added to Addington Highlands. So we should have Addington Highlands with the slash North Central Frontenac and also Hastings County. Okay, so only change here is that slash with North Central Frontenac. Okay, contact page, that's done. Everything else looks perfect. Let me just check yeah, this is something that needs to be completed when it's done. Okay, so that's the change. Thank you. We'll be in touch.